Hi, friends. What do you usually do with eggplants like these? If you're out of ideas, I've got a great one for you. I love cooking over an open fire, so I'm going to quickly assemble a garden stove and show you how to prepare eggplants in a fast, delicious, and most importantly, unique way. Of course, you can cook this dish in your kitchen, but let's be honest, cooking outdoors is much more fun. If you have a few bricks, you can easily build a simple fire pit and enjoy the experience of cooking over an open flame. Alright, the fire pit is ready, so I'll get the fire going and start cooking the eggplants. First, I slice the eggplants into rounds. Then, I make little cuts on each side. Look at this! Isn't it already beautiful? Next, I skewer the eggplant slices onto wooden sticks and dip them in beaten eggs. I heat some vegetable oil in a pan over the fire. Once the oil is hot, I coat the eggplant slices in starch and fry them until they're golden brown. While the eggplants are frying, I'll prepare the ingredients for the sauce. I chop up some ginger and garlic, then a tomato, and mix it with chopped basil and chili pepper. In a separate pan, I saute the ginger and garlic, then add a bit of flour to thicken the sauce. I mix everything well to avoid lumps, then pour in the tomato mixture with herbs and chili. I add a bit of butter and some water to keep the sauce from getting too thick. For a vibrant color, I use sweet paprika. And for a creamy texture, I add a splash of cream. Don't forget to season with salt and let the sauce simmer for a bit. And that's it. I drizzle the sauce over the eggplants and garnish with fresh herbs. Doesn't it look gorgeous? And it tastes amazing too. You've got to try this and let me know what you think.